has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Boner's Lake, or near Lake Geneva, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Union Grove, Wind Lake, Rochester, Round Lake, Waterford North, and Eagle Lake around 12:35 p.m. Yorkville around 12:40 p.m. Raymond around 12:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Waterford, Brighton, Springfield, Burlington, Kansasville, Honey Creek, North Cape, and Slade's Corners. People attending Raymond 4th Fest should seek safe shelter immediately. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm